Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2012 Yamaha FJR1300 Super Sport Touring. This bike is equipped with ABS brakes and many other sport touring features. Electronic windscreen, heated electric grips. It's got some nice running lights down there by the forks. Fantastic condition, beautiful metallic blue in color. Comes with the locking side cases, and this one also has a GV universal top case rack. Just 40,000 miles, only $94.90 for this gorgeous Yamaha FJR. Come by, check it out. We have financing available. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 clean, beautiful used bikes in stock. Oh yeah, this head has a really nice custom saddle, very high end. I believe it's called an all-day saddle. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports. Windscreen going up and down. It also has a handlebar riser. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.